guys, if you follow through this YouTube video from the beginning to the end, man, you'll be able to beat your face even better than this. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oyelami Oyelua, and today's tutorial is going to be a makeup look on how to properly apply your makeup, how to properly wear your makeup. And I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, like, drop a comment in the comment section and click the notification bell so anytime I post a new video you will get notified. So let's get straight to the video, guys. I'm so excited we are doing this. Let's get straight to the video. This face is about to be transformed. Are you ready for this? Are you ready, man? The first thing you need to do is to moisturize your lip. That's very, very important. And when I mean moisturize your lip, you need a moisturizer. You can use the Nivea lip balm, or I use a lip gloss sometimes actually, but it's more better use a lip balm. Use a lip balm. So let me get my lip balm because currently I do not know where it is. Here we go. Here we go. I hope you guys can see this. Yes, so I'm going to use that to moisturize my lip like this. Put some more, put some more. Yeah, so after that is done, we are going to go into our skin. We're going to moisturize, then prime. So right before you go into your moisturizer and primer, it's quite important that you, why do I keep doing like this? Like, am I about to kill? Okay, yeah, I know I'm doing like this because I'm about to kill this look. Oh my god, did you hear that? I've been trying to do that stuff. Ouch. Okay. What was I saying? I was saying something. It is quite important that you cleanse your face. That is, like, make sure you have a neat canvas to work with, just like a painter. Use a canvas. So make sure that your face is clean, very clean. But I don't have micellar cleansing water. I confess my sins. I confess. So I'm going to be using my baby wipes. But then you use your baby wipes with the micellar water. Hopefully I get the micellar water very soon. Help me to learn how to spend my money rightly. God, help me to learn how to spend my money rightly.
You want to bam bam? You want to chill with the big boys?
Help me to learn to stop spending my money on unnecessary things. So you're going to clean your face. Clean your face. But my face is neat because I wash my face anytime I want to do my makeup. I wash my face, so my face is like clean. Yeah, so I told you. So up next I'm going to be using this Nigerian brand. I mean, it's called the Kiss Beauty. It's more like a moisturizing water hydrating setting spray. You get it? So I'm just going to use it on my face, but then some people use rose water instead of using this. Rose water, perfect. You can use rose water, my dear. If you don't want to use this, rose water.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
What I'm doing right here is to apply a mattifying primer, like a more stronger primer on my T-zone, since I tend to get oily and break out easily on my T-zones. So now I've been like trying or willing to try something out that I've been seeing for a long time, but I've not tried it before. I think this is a What English should I use now? Like this is something. Okay, yeah. Thank you. This is something people that have really oily skin do, but I don't have oily skin. I have a combination skin. But then I want to see how this is going to work out, and that is applying your powder before foundation. I don't know. Let's try that first and see. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed, guys. This is definitely a remedy to control oil. Cause man, ouch. This are sucking all the oil on my face, man. Like I'm looking for my moisturizer. I'm legit looking for it. Okay, so that is done. Then now let's go into, you know it, guys, foundation. Hey, hey.
You the wrong kitty kitty, you the wrong kete kete, no fi drink with a drop cup.
Guys, see, let me try to blend it all in and see. Not bad.
Keep my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Okay, so right after that is done, I'm going to take my setting spray and set my face again. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge, that is like a beauty sponge that is soft. You soaked into water for a while, and then I'm going to use that to dab in my makeup gently, just like this. Yeah, just trying to dab it in gently. And you guys can see that this foundation is flawless. Plus I'm going to leave all the products that I'm using for this makeup look. I'm going to leave their names, everything you need to know about them, in my description box. So in case you guys want to check that out, just check the description box right now. Everything is there. But I mostly use a Nigerian brand. Sha. So once I have applied this light shade of concealer, I'm going to go into a concealer that is not as light as this, like this, and then I'll go into my foundation that I mixed at the back of my palm, and then I'm going to use that right here. But then for ear and here, I'm just going to use a shade of concealer, the one I use right here. I'm just going to use that one here because I don't want this part to be like so bright, but then I want the inner corner to at least pop out a bit and be lighter than all other places. I don't know if you understand my point, but then keep on watching. And if you've gotten to this part of this video and you've still not stopped, Jesus Christ, in short, subscribe. Oh my god, that's so horrible. That's a horrible facial expression. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment right now. So let's blend this baby in. So I'm going to blend it in with this beauty sponge, and I'm going to start right here outside.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my
blending is a very essential part of makeup. It's very, very important. You need to blend everything seamlessly into your skin. So once that is done, we're going into our setting powder, and we're going to set the face. Firstly, I'm going to take little setting powder and I'm going to set the highlighted places of my face like this. Do a reverse contour here. Then I'm going to take much setting powder and then to put it under my eyes, just to make sure that my eyeshadow does not mess up my skin work, and any excess eyeshadow that falls out from my eyes while I'm doing my eye work will fall on the setting powder, and I'll be able to like dust it all off after I'm done. And also to make sure that the setting powder stays in my skin and works into my skin and does its work, so I don't like need to add so much powder on my face. Do you understand my point? Don't worry, just keep watching, you understand why. For the brows, I'm going to be using two different brow pencils. I'm going to be using the famous David brow pencil in Nigerian brand, and I'm going to be using the one in 003 that's darker than this one in 18. I'm going to use the one in 003 to line my brows, draw the borders of my brows, while I use this lighter one to fill in my brows lightly.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
So guys, right about now, we are going into lashing. I'm going to fix this one right here. This.
I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
comes to the end of today's video, guys. I'm done with this look, and as you guys can see, this look is a lit, and it's something you can achieve yourself. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and find this video useful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and drop a comment. So guys, till we meet again, my name remains Oyelami Onyulua.
Draw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear 'em